What is going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be telling you a guide for beginners on how to start working out at the gym, because I'm not gonna lie, it can be very confusing when you start the gym because you simply just don't know what to do. So before this video starts, make sure to give the video a like, because I'm gonna be telling you literally everything that you guys need to know. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Make sure to check out RG Clothing, my official clothing brand. And of course, if you guys want to lose weight and get shredded in 90 days, you can actually follow a workout plan and a diet plan for every single month and get shredded in 90 days. So make sure to drop me an email, ramghumanonline@gmail.com, and let's get you on the 90-day shredding plan. So let's get talking about some things that you guys need to do to start working out. And the main thing is not lose motivation in the gym, because you can so easily lose motivation and it can be so annoying because the gym at times can be very demotivating as well. So hey, enough talking. Well, I'm gonna be talking quite a lot in this video, but let's get talking into point number one. So before me telling you anything, the first thing I'm gonna recommend you is get your workout playlist on point. If you're someone who listens to rock music, fair enough, get some rock music on your playlist. Now if you're someone who listens to hip-hop or Rihanna or Drake or I don't know, whoever you listen to, make sure you get that on your playlist, because if you're someone who goes in a commercial gym, the music at times isn't always best. So you got to motivate yourself. So number one, get your music on point. Now another thing that I recommend you is that if you are someone who's going to be doing cardio, make sure you are entertaining yourself in some way when you are doing cardio. Because if you are doing, for example, 30 minutes on the cross trainer on the treadmill, you got to be watching something. Well, that's what I find what works for me, watching something which is going to entertain me. Listening music is cool, that's for more when I'm lifting weights, but when I'm doing cardio I like to watch something. So if it means ask the gym for their Wi-Fi, so you are being entertained in some way for that cardio, because you're going to give up after like 5 minutes. So that's number one, like entertainment is key while you are in the gym. Now the second one is now clothing. You got to be wearing something in the gym which makes you comfortable. Like I'll recommend you guys to get RG Clothing. It's comfortable, it's fitted as well, so if you are someone who's training your arms, you actually can have like some sort of fitting as well around your arms, so you're showing them against. But no problem if you're someone who's new in the gym and you're not worried too much, again, wear something comfortable. RG Clothing is comfortable. You can't be going into the gym in a shirt and jeans, so clothing and music, there are two things which you got to get sorted before you step foot in the gym. Before me telling you something else and saying do this, do this, do that, two things that you got to make sure you get on point. Now the clothing is cool, the music is cool, we're ready to go, but now you got to have a goal. If you are someone who wants to lose weight, have a goal to lose weight. If you are someone who wants to build muscle and lose weight, have that goal. Now I'm going to recommend you guys to build muscle and lose fat at the same time. The reason why is because your body isn't used to lifting weights and doing all this exercise, so you can actually build muscle and lose body fat. So that's what I'm going to recommend you guys to join the 90-day shredding plan, because on that program you are going to be losing fat and building muscle, especially if you are a newbie lifter, meaning you've just started lifting, and you can do this for the first like 18 months to 2 years. So that is very important to make them newbie gains, because that's going to build a platform on your body. So yes, you can build muscle and lose body fat, especially if you are a newbie lifter and you've just started working out. So make sure to drop me an email, ramghumanonline@gmail.com, and let's get you on the 90-day training plan, because you're going to have a plan, you're going to know what to do when, you're going to know what to eat, and all the programs are 100% customized, and I've done the hard work for you. I've even calculated the macros for each and every meal. So make sure to drop me an email, ramghumanonline@gmail.com. Now we have a goal, music's cool, clothing's good. Now what's the next step? Now one of the biggest mistakes that I see is people, especially who have just started, will go into the gym and start doing loads of isolation exercises. Now isolation exercises are exercises where you're only focusing on one muscle group. For example, a bicep curl. Now a bicep curl, a tricep extension for your triceps is all good. I won't tell you why, but when you go into the gym, you want to focus more on the compound exercises. For example, a bench press, a deadlift, and a squat. The reason why is because you are going to be working more than one muscle group. You don't want to go into the gym and wasting all your energy on small muscle groups. For example, when you want to focus on your bicep, when you are doing exercises like a pull-up, you are working your bicep exercises like a row. You'll be working your back, but also your biceps. So you want to focus more on your compound exercises first, and then after you've completed your compound exercises, you can do your isolation exercises. For example, we are going to be training chest. We're going to do a bench press, incline dumbbell press, and then after we can do isolation exercise like a fly. And I'm going to try to get a picture right now showing you some example of some compound exercises, and that is exactly what we're doing on the 90-day training plan. The compound exercises come first, and then after comes our isolation exercise. Now if you're someone who wants to lose weight, your weight training comes first, and then after comes your cardio. Now you can do cardio fasted in the morning if you have that extra motivation, but I will always recommend you guys to do your weight training first. Believe me, it doesn't matter if you are even like 30% body fat and you want to just simply lose weight. Do weight training first, and then your cardio comes after. The reason why is because your weight training is going to take a lot more energy out of you. Now a big question I get all the time is, okay, I've started lifting and I've started to lose a little bit of weight. Okay, cool, what supplements do I take? Supplements are good, but you do not need supplements in order to achieve your fitness goals. Supplements is something that's going to supplement your diet. Now if your diet is good, I'm going to talk about the diet in a minute, but if your diet is good, then you can supplement your diet with a supplement. I recommend you guys to have whey protein. That's a good supplement to have to supplement your diet, because I'm not gonna lie, at times it can be very hard to get like 180 grams of protein in. Whey protein is a good investment because it's gonna help you guys get in your protein, especially if you are a vegetarian. Whey protein is good because at times it can be pretty tough to hit like 180 grams of protein, or 160, 170, even 150 grams at times. It can be pretty tough just from vegetarian foods. Now when it comes to the diet, you can start tracking your calories already, but of course on the 90-day training plan I've done the work for you. But I want you guys just to eat healthy. Don't worry too much to start with about tracking. That's more, I would say, after like 18 months or even 2 years. But just have a balanced diet. Like, you know that a pizza is not going to help you lose weight or get abs. You know, like, a burger isn't going to help. It's good to have it in moderation, no problem, because you got to have fun with it, because if you don't have fun with it, you're going to lose motivation. But tracking at an early stage, I wouldn't really recommend it, especially if you're new to this whole thing. There's too much going on in your brain, like with your training, your workout, and then you're going to be thinking about tracking calories. It's just going to take over your life because there's too much to sink in. Get the training and learn about the diet. For example, there's 4 calories in 1 gram of protein, 4 calories in 1 gram of carbohydrate, and 9 calories in 1 gram of fat. I will recommend you guys to track, but later on I'll recommend you guys to start with just eat a healthy, balanced diet. And if you want me to talk more about the diet, I would like to make another part to this video. If you guys enjoyed this video talking about like from year 2 to year 3 or 4, so it's a little bit more advanced, but just to start with, have a healthy, balanced diet, because there's just going to be too much going on in your brain, and I don't want you guys to just get overcomplicated and get demotivated. Because, like, for example, myself, if I learn something new, I want to take everything step by step. I don't want to go straight to the deep end, because I'm going to get demotivated. Now, the biggest one here is that you got to keep that motivation alive, because there's no point you going into the gym and giving up after like 2 weeks. No, you want to keep on continuing with the gym and keep on focusing on your goal. Now, have short-term goals. Having a long-term goal is all good. For example, you want to lose like, I don't know, let's say 20 kg in 1 year. That's all good, but break it down, break everything down, and that is how you are going to keep ticking everything off. For example, this week we're going to lose 1 kg, next week we're going to lose this much, and the week after we're going to do this much. So you breaking everything down is so much more better. My MacBook's shut. Okay, there we are. You breaking everything down is so much more better than looking at the long-term goal and thinking, oh, it look like that. That's all good, but break everything down. And that is what we do on the 90-day training plan. There's 3 phases, and each phase is broken down into 30 days, because even 90 days at times, it can be pretty long. Now, it's entirely up to you if you want to have a workout partner. Now, a workout partner is good, I'm not going to lie. Especially when, you know, you're not really feeling the gym. The workout partner's going to text you, what the hell, man? It's leg day. Get here. Because if you don't, like, you've let me down. So you're going to feel like you're going to let that person down. And even when you're like slacking a bit in the gym, the workout partner can actually push you. Now, the other thing is, I'll recommend you guys to train by yourself as well, because that workout partner isn't always going to be there 7 days a week, 5 days a week, or 4 days a week, however many days you are going to commit to the gym. So workout partner is good, but also learn to train by yourself, because I've experienced it, especially at a young age, where I was training with a workout partner and I got so used to it, and then it came to a point where I couldn't train without a workout partner. And finally, the main thing is now have fun. Yes, we want to achieve our end goal. For example, we want to get abs, or we want to build muscle, or we want to lose weight, but you got to have fun with it. You can't say to yourself, oh, this whole gym thing is like torture, and you know, I just going for the sake of it because I want to look like this, or I want to lose this much. Like, you got to motivate yourself is important, but also you got to have fun with it. Yeah, have fun with it, go into the gym and actually enjoy the workout. If you are someone that's saying, you know what, I'm just not enjoying it, you can feel free to drop me an email, ramghumanonline@gmail.com, and I will actually give you a workout program which you're gonna have fun with. It's not always about just working, like counting the days until you look like that, because you're gonna lose motivation. You got to keep that fire alive. Have fun with it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Have a workout program or follow a plan, because you're gonna stay motivated. All right, so I really hope this guide helps you guys on how to start in the gym, to lose weight and build muscle. So if you like this video, make sure to give this video a like, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, make sure to check out RG Clothing, my official clothing brand. The link's going to be in the bio. It's nice and fitted, so if you are doing arms after you have done your compound exercises, it's going to be nice and fitted. It's nice and loose, and it's comfortable to wear in the gym, and also out and about you can wear it as well. Make sure to give this video a like, and if you kind of like this whole thing, like RG Clothing website, my YouTube channel, I think this is a little bit better than me like just sitting there and talking when it's a bit more blank, but I think this is cool, like a little bit more going on. So if you switch off a little bit in a video like this, so I know this video is quite long, you can be like, hey, there's a little bit more going on. Well, I hope anyway. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat. Leave a comment section below if you want to see anything else, and if you guys want to hear part 2 talking a little bit more advanced, like from 18 months onwards, I will do a video talking about that, and I'll do a video talking about the diet as well a little bit more, because I don't want to keep talking, man. This video is gonna be like 30 minutes long. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.